Has once again reminded India that Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed territory and it should be resolved and settled in accordance with the United Nations resolution. Commenting on Indian Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's remark about Jammu and Kashmir in an interview, Foreign Office spokesman of the Pakistan government stressed that Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed territory awaiting settlement in accordance with the relevant United Nations resolutions and aspirations of the people of the state. The spokesman said India is only one of the parties to the dispute. It cannot, therefore, unilaterally change the status of the dispute or place preconditions in open contradiction to the right of self-determination of the Kashmiris. In fact, with more details on this, Shafiq, our correspondent, now joins us on the phone line from Islamabad. Shafiq, what else has the Pak Foreign Office said?
Yeah, Pakistan Foreign Office say that, in fact, rejected the Indian Prime Minister claim that this is there is no dispute on the territory between Pakistan and India. In fact, the Foreign Office spokesman Abdul Basit said that this is the main dispute between Pakistan and India. In fact, Pakistan has a long-standing demand of plebiscite according to the wishes of the people of Kashmir. And Pakistani Foreign Office said that India is one of the parties of the Kashmir dispute. So the Indian government should not say anything about the boundaries of Pakistan. There is still controversy over the boundaries, especially in Kashmir. So Pakistan believes that still this part is disputed, and this is the main thorny issues between both the countries. Earlier, the foreign minister has already said a few days before that this is the main issue, and we should solve all the issues, outstanding issues, including the Kashmir,
right,
according to the wishes of the people of Kashmir. So these are the few words issued by the Foreign Office spokesman in its statement.